to connect Shopify with Aliexpress. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna see how you can connect Shopify with Aliexpress. So let's get into it. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Shopify shop, your account, and then you have to open your shop of Shopify. Then what you need to do is you have to open this option which says apps. When you open that up, you're going to see try to find apps. What I'm gonna do is you can see this is an option of app and sales channel settings. Open that up, and in there you're going to find a Shopify app store. This is what we are actually looking forward to access. So I'm just going to click on that. After you open that up, you're going to wait for a couple of seconds until the shop is opened, and then you're going to search for Aliexpress in the shop. So this is here, you can see that my shop is open. This is Shopify app store. Now I'm going to search here for Aliexpress. Okay, so here you can see that when you search Aliexpress, you are not going to find it directly, that there's no app that's available by the official site of Aliexpress, but there are a couple of apps that you can use that are going to help you access Aliexpress on your Shopify, and from there you can move products into your inventory directly. So such of these apps is there is Deezer is available, Ali Orders, Aliexpress Dropship is available, and Ali Dropship is available as well. So the Deezer is one of the very good platforms. It has 5.0 rating, it has 4.9 rating, it is also free, and you have it. This is Ali Dropship. It has 3.8 star rating, but it has only a 7-day free trial. That means you have to pay to use this app otherwise. So let's go to a free one, that is Ali Orders Aliexpress. Click open that app, and then you're going to install that app into your Shopify. Installing is very easy. I already have that app, that's why it says open app. Otherwise it would say get the app or open the app or something like that. Click on that and then install it into your Shopify. After you are done, what it's going to do is it is going to open something like this. Now here you can see that on my sidebar under the app settings, I have this app available. Like here you can see that, and then you can have a couple of options. You can find products, you can import list, you can products, orders, store analytics, account, and billing. So let's say I want to find the product. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so now when you open your find products, what you're going to do is you're going to open Aliexpress, and from there you're going to import the products that you want into your inventory, and import list is going to be here. Then you have your products are going to be here, and you can get the orders. If any customer has ordered something, you're going to get it here, and you can see all of things right here. So this is how you can connect Aliexpress with Shopify in a very easy manner. So this was it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Software is Made Easy. Thank you.